Was really in the limelight today. Australia has cleared the Adani Group's Carmichael project for the second time. The clearance to the controversial coal mine was quashed by a federal court just 2 months back as it was considered a threat to the Great Barrier Reef. However, now the green light has been waved and we've got Varinder Bansal joining in with the details. Varinder, I guess it's very apparent how important this project is for Adani, and it was evident in the way the stock moved 15% higher.
Well, it certainly left a very big overhang, which has been persistent on this company since last 5 to 6 years. Just to remind our viewers that Adani Mines, the mining operation, is 100% subsidiary of Adani Enterprise, and that is why that stock is up by nearly 10-11% in the market today. Now, why this is important? As you rightly said, this is nearly $7.5 billion project, which was stuck for nearly for last 5 or 6 years. Now, there are two important things what we got to watch out for. The first thing, of course, is the timing. When they can restart and they can produce coal from those mines. Management in the last few years have been telling some of the investors that by end of FY16 they should start producing coal, but in the last few years we have seen all issues of legal and administrative which have been there. So maybe FY17 they start producing coal, and that will be important for the company. And second, of course, is that how much they can produce from those mines. The entire capacity is nearly 60 million ton. Of course, they will not go ahead and restart the entire operation. It will start very slow and steady. So even if they do nearly 2 to 3 or nearly 5 million ton in the first year, at current coal prices, which is nearly $40–45 per ton, that could mean an additional revenue generation of anywhere between 1,200 to 1,500 crores for this company, who is generating around 40–45,000 crores on FY16. So on a revenue basis, it might not be a big thing, at least for the next 2 or 3 years. But if they go ahead and they produce the entire coal, which is 60 million ton, so it gives a huge visibility for next 7–10 years for this company. And let me remind you, coal trading, coal mining is the only business now left over in Adani Enterprise after that huge scheme of arrangement happening in the entire group. So, after 5 or 6 years, the hangover, which was there on the stock has been removed today. We have got the confirmation even from, the Queensland, government over there, and that is why the stock is moving up today. But, watch out for the timing and the quantity of extraction from these mines in the coming days from the management if they comment on it.